Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to increase text quality in Photoshop. First, always begin with vector text layers. They remain sharp at any size. Next, choose a high-quality font that is optimized for screen display, avoiding overly thin or complex styles. Finally, set your document resolution to at least 300 pixels per inch for optimal clarity, especially for print or high-resolution screens. These initial steps are crucial for a professional look. Now, let's fine-tune your text. Open the Character panel to access advanced settings. Adjust anti-aliasing to strong or smooth for a cleaner, less pixelated edge, which significantly improves readability. Also, carefully modify tracking, leading, and kerning to ensure proper spacing between letters and lines. These small adjustments make a big difference in overall text quality and visual appeal. Understanding resolution and scaling is key. Always work on your text at a higher resolution than your intended final output. This provides flexibility for scaling down without losing quality. Convert your text layers into smart objects. This allows you to resize them multiple times without pixelation. Remember, avoid rasterizing text until your design is completely finalized to preserve its vector properties. For the best final output, export your work carefully. When saving, choose formats like PNG for web graphics, as it supports transparency and maintains sharpness. For scalable vector graphics, consider SVG if your text remains editable. Use the Save for Web Legacy option to balance file size and visual quality effectively. Always double-check that your output resolution aligns perfectly with your intended use.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.